In this video, I explain how to buy shares of JAKKS Pacific Inc., showing the search phrase, how to buy shares of JAKKS Pacific Inc. as a starting point. JAKKS Pacific Inc. is a U.S. toy and consumer products company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker JAKK, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to your account before placing a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker JAKK to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches JAKS Pacific Inc. to find the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that shows recent trading activity. Confirm the company name and ticker JAKK on that page to ensure this is the correct asset before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and review the order details carefully before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed according to the broker's rules. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in the Portfolio or Holdings tab on the platform. For convenience, there is a link to eToro in the description if you want to explore the broker. This is an informational reference only.